Ooh, I'm so excited. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Steph here, and today we are on board the beautiful Royal Caribbean Allure of the Seas. And guys, I have been waiting to be standing in this room. Oh my gosh. Guys, Royal Caribbean gave me a junior suite. I have never had a junior suite on an Oasis class ship. So this is a first for me. I'm so thankful. I cannot wait to show this room to you guys in its entirety. But before we get into it, you know how we do it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Please comment and like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications. Let's get into this junior suite full room tour. I know you guys are like, if you don't get to this room, I'm getting to it. But if you are new to my channel, welcome to the shenanigans. I'm an entertainer for Royal Caribbean. I do a lovely tribute to the wonderful Whitney Houston. The show is called Remembering Whitney, the greatest voice of all. You have got to go to divaoftheseas.com and book your Royal Caribbean cruise to see this show. I am waiting on my 2023 dates. The website only has dates up to the end of 2022, but 2023 dates are coming very, very soon. So make sure you check divaoftheseas.com. But you guys know I'm going to do a huge announcement right here on this channel, letting you know what's coming. Also, I have a new segment. It's called Set It Go Down Sundays. Guys, I'm teaching everything about being a woman in the music business, show business, cruise business. I'm dropping everything that I've learned in my years in the game. If you have a young person that wants to sing or be in show business or be in music business, especially young ladies, please tell them check this channel out. This is all about just helping young people or older people, but younger people make better decisions in the music business, so you don't have to look up and see your baby somewhere naked dancing or twerking. So let's get into this junior suite full room tour. But make sure you tune in to Set It Go Down every single Sunday right here on the Diva of the Seas channel. Okay, let's see this room. No, I know you guys like to see the room as soon as we come in. So it is embarkation day. Nothing has been touched. I don't even have my luggage yet. Only thing that's in here is my water bag and my carry-on bag. So let's get into it. Ooh, right, ladies and gentlemen. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know why I always do that. This is the view from when you're coming in the door. This is the bathroom. I'll show you that in a second. This is your walk-in closet. I will also show you that in a second. But here we are. First off, give it up for the full-length mirror. Can we just take it in? Bada bam, bada baga, ba 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 ba. Okay, I quit. Anyway, here's your room. You have your lovely, I'm going to do a slow pan, your lovely king-size bed that also splits into two. If you're not trying to rush around and wrench it off, you got your couch situation over there. And then you got this lovely vanity. I love this light. I haven't even turned it on yet, but it's so modern. I mean, come on. That is beautiful lighting. Even the chair. Y'all should have seen the chair I had on Serenade. I was like, how many butts have sat in this chair? But you got a nice cream chair. I mean, come on, get into it. You got your masks and everything. Now, I guess this is a little dated. I feel like they need to get rid of this. Like, who has chargers like this for your iPad? Like, this is time to go. It's time to update this situation. But I do like you can see what time it is, you know. You got your TV. It does pull out and swivel. I'm not going to do that because I want to keep the shot steady. That's my stuff down there. Don't mind that. You also get your coffee and tea right here. Very nice, very nice. Another mirror. We can't be mad at mirrors, man. Mirrors are the best. Mirrors are the best. All right, now we are just on the other side of the room. So that's the door you come through. And this is the other side. You got your nice little sexy black table, your chair, this sofa. The sofas are bigger, I've noticed, on the Oasis class ships than they are on the Navigator or the Freedom. And this does let out, so if you have a family with kids can sleep here, and you have a divider. So, you know, I wouldn't be doing nothing in here with the kids, but in case you're trying to silently reach around and reach it off, you know, you do have a little privacy divider. All right, let's go into the closet. Keep it in the closet. Burn it, I know you're moaning. That was the wrong. I just mixed keep it in the closet with my milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. I don't know where my mind is today, but anyway, we got a walk-in closet, ladies and gentlemen. I'm standing inside of the closet. You get these two amazing Royal Caribbean robes, plenty of hangers that I'm busting my head on. You've got shelf space right here for your things. You've got this top shelf also for storage. Let me show you a view from the outside. I love this walk-in closet. It's just so dope. It's so dope. Okay, so here's your view of the closet without me standing in it. Okay. But yeah, you got all this shelf storage space, plenty of room, extra storage space up top. I would put shoes up there. That's what I would do. But yeah, this is your walk-in closet. And then if you want the view from when you come out, this is your view when you come out of the closet. Keep it in the closet. No, you want it. The thing that makes me. Okay. All right. I hope you guys are warming those vocal cords up as we prepare to enter the bathroom. Okay. If you're new to my channel, y'all better get your pen and paper out and write these words down, because we here at the Diva of the Seas community, we have a song. Okay. Everybody that's been watching, shout out to my followers. Warm those vocal cords up. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Here we go. All right, let's count it down. Here we go. In 5, 4, season 3, 2, 1. We got a tub, and tubs are oh so cool. Oh yeah, I said we got a tub. It's like a really nice warm pool. Then we take it up. Oh, we got a tub. I said it keeps your body clean. Oh yes, I said we got a tub, and it's oh so nice, not mean. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we got a tub right here on the Allure of the Seas in your junior suite. Let me show you the rest of the bathroom. We got a tub be jamming, y'all. It be jamming. All right, here's your bathroom. I'm so silly. On your junior suite. But guys, you do really have a tub. And the shower head is like bigger. I like that. I like the shower head. Anyway, this is your bathroom, right? Very nice, very nice, very nice. Hey, y'all. No, I'm just playing. All right, and this is your view coming out of your bathroom back into your room. Very nice, right? Okay, so it's time to balconize, but it's raining, okay? You see that? We're in Fort Lauderdale. It's raining, but I will show you. Oh, it's big. Okay, check this out. The balconies extend further out on these Oasis balconies. Like on the Navigator or the Freedom, they're like half of this. So that's really dope. Oh, the rain has stopped. It's like rain. Yeah. So you got 2 chairs, your table. Here's your view of Fort Lauderdale. It's so quiet. It's peaceful. It's almost eerily quiet, right? Isn't that weird? Anyway, here's your balcony. Oh, they got cream chairs on here instead. The flooring is nice, and this is bomb. Oh my God, I don't know what to do. I asked for the Navigator, but I like these Oasis suites, I tell you that. Isn't this lovely? This is beautiful. It's still like rumbling and thundering a little bit. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But anyway, this is the end of this video, your junior suite room tour. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you comment and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. I will see you in the next video, which is going to be what? Backstage C-Pass. I will see you soon. I love you.
The lady still thanks you for watching.